get fired, gloves on the dash, dust in my veins from earning that cash. Sun sinking low on a long damn week. Truck fired up, radio set free. Gravel snaps when I hit that road. Speakers thump like they know what I know. Cooler rattling in the backseat. Weekend running straight at me. Foot on the gas, don't slow me down. Friday's loose and we're leaving town. From shotgun to shotgun, we light it up. Friday night can't steal the daylight comes. Neon buzzing, FM loud. Fight too hard, get kicked back out. Burn it down, then hunt it clean. Live for the space in between. It's a long way back to Monday's town. From shotguns to shotguns, that's how we get down. Pull into town, tires singing loud. Same old dive, same wild crowd. Pool balls crack, boots hit wood. Shots on the bar like they always should. Buddy yelling, line 'em up fast. Crack one open, make it last. Midnight fades, but we don't slow. Just killing time till the rooster crows. Last call rings, we ignore the sound. Weekend's just starting now. Sunrise cuts through a whiskey head. Coffee strong, little sleep instead. Camo tossed on a truck seat rack. Trading ball lights for a sunrise track. Fields wake up, the world goes still. Finger off the trigger, time to feel quiet. When the noise is gone, that's when you know you're where you belong. From shotguns to shotguns, we light it up all night loud till the morning comes. Bar stools to fields, no middle ground. We don't slow down, we just turn around. Yeah, we burn it hard, then hunt it clean. That's the life in the in-between. It's a long way back to Monday's town. From shotguns to shotguns, that's how we get down. Monday comes.